All right, now let's look at this question. So this will test your concepts on organization audit log. What action? Option E says monitor accepted chat suggestion. Audit logs doesn't capture user level acceptance of chat suggestions. Hence incorrect. Option B says record Copilot generated code suggestions. Audit logs doesn't log the actual suggestions made by Copilot. Wrong answer. Let's move to option C. C says track updates made to content exclusion settings. The organization audit logs record configuration changes such as updates to content exclusion settings, enabling visibility into administrative actions. Let's keep it. Option D says log suggestions filtered due to duplication detection. Filtering actions aren't recorded in audit logs. We'll delete this. We'll lock option C as the right answer. Alrighty, we got a multiple choice question. We need to select two correct answers. This is all about improving prompts for more accurate results. Option A says define clear success outcomes in the prompt. Success outcomes guide Copilot towards generating responses that match the intended result. Let's keep it. Option B says include exhaustive details about all reference files. Copilot doesn't process full file metadata unless it's part of the active context. Hence incorrect. Let's move to option C. C says indicate where the content should be retrieved from. Source hints help Copilot understand the context and scope of expected output. Let's keep it as well. Now let's move to option D. D says add links to external documentation for reference. Copilot doesn't access or interpret external URLs during prompt execution. So this is again incorrect. We'll lock option A and C as the right answers. Okay, now let's look at this question, which is all about updating content exclusion settings in Copilot. Option A says within 30 minutes. Content exclusion changes in GitHub Copilot business are processed and reflected within 30 minutes window, ensuring timely enforcement of updated settings. Let's keep it. Option B says between 45 and 60 minutes. The update window completes earlier than this range. So this is incorrect. And same goes for option C and D as well, since 45 to 60 minutes doesn't qualify in option B. C and D definitely cannot, because these are more time, right? It exceeds the actual time. C and D are out. Let's lock option A as the right answer. Let's bring the heat to the snow. This is all about Metric API to improve development process. Option A says discover which coding languages show higher Copilot effectiveness. The Matrix API reveals language-specific usage insights, showing where Copilot adds the most value for adoption. Let's keep this. Option B says analyze statistics related to real-time debugging and error resolution. The Matrix API doesn't track real-time debugging or error resolution data. Incorrect. Let's move to option C. C says compare Copilot generated suggestions with manually written code. The API doesn't perform comparative analysis between Copilot output and manual code. So therefore wrong answer. Let's move to option D. D says auto generate full documentation for the project. The API doesn't generate documentation. It reports usage matrix instead. Therefore, wrong answer. We'll lock option A as the correct choice. So please don't go away. Let's meet in the next part of this series.